Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to another Vlogmas video. It's actually Wednesday afternoon slash evening slash almost night because this morning I had a parent meeting before school, so didn't really have time to like sit around and have shenanigans of filming and yada yada yada. And I got home from work and I sat down for like a solid hour and just compiled my Christmas list. Because Corpo's been like, when are you going to do your Christmas list? When are you going to do your Christmas list? What do you want for Christmas? So I eventually just caved and, you know, like, I'm like, I don't want anything. And I was just like really in that mindset of like, what is stuff that I want but won't buy myself? So it's like a bunch of games that, like I want to play but I would never pay for, and like stuff like, I want the new World of Warcraft game which comes out next year, like trying to like future proof, think about stuff that I might want in the future in case like I don't have money when that particular thing comes around. So did that. I've just been like reading and answering a whole bunch of comments and questions and DMs and a whole bunch of different stuff about my vlog topic from 2 days ago, which was like my weight gain and being self-conscious and like feeling not good in my own skin and yada yada yada. And I had so many of you reach out. I was kind of expecting, well, not that I would expect any different of you guys, because you guys are an amazing audience, amazing group of people that I get to talk to, but I was absolutely floored with how many people could relate to me and how many people were like, we can do this. And I feel so inspired and empowered that there's like heaps of us that like want to get back on track or start. But a lot of you were like in the same, like the same thing as me. You'd lost like 10-20 kilos and you've put like half or more than half back on. And I just wanted to say, if you're one of the people that reached out, or even if you're not and you're in the same position as me, I appreciate you and we can do this. I've had a couple questions about fasting too, so I'll talk about it here. If you guys missed my journey last year, I don't know what vlogs to tell you to go watch, but you could go watch that because I talk a lot about fasting in those. But basically intermittent fasting is not eating for a certain amount of hours. I've been doing 17 to 18-ish hours, somewhere in that range. So I'll stop eating at, the goal is 7, but we've been eating dinner between 7 and 8. So like, let's just say 8. From 8 p.m. till just before 1 o'clock, when our lunch break is. That's when I break my fast. So I don't eat anything at all in that time, not a single thing, not even like a cracker, like nothing. Don't know why you just eat a random cracker, but I don't eat anything. Officially, you're only supposed to have black tea and black coffee with no sugar, no milk, no anything, and water, obviously. But I have either an Oxy Shred, which I just bought some more, so it should be here soon. I also have some Black Friday stuff that I should be able to show you guys in this haul. I just need to go pick it up from my parents' house. But yeah, I either have Oxy Shred or I have an energy drink, because as you guys may know, if you follow my channel, if you have for a while, you'd know I'm allergic to coffee beans. Intermittent fasting is basically just a way for you to adjust the way that you eat to make it a smaller window. Some people say that it promotes fat burning. Some people say that you lose weight faster. I'm not going to comment on that. I did lose weight really fast last year, but I was also like eating in a slight, well, a reasonable calorie deficit and going to the gym 5 days a week, so that kind of all plays into it. But I just like it because I know once I hit start on my app, start fasting, I'm fasting, and I stay true to that. I also find that if I'm not officially fasting, I'll snack into the night, whereas if I'm officially fasting, I won't. You guys, I forgot to vlog me bloody dinner. It's just red curry, but I forgot to vlog it. Oh. Just watching a documentary about Jewel right now. Then I'm gonna go to my parents in Kmart. So we just went to my parents, got my parcels. I didn't really like go in and converse. Also, I didn't have time to vlog the cat because she was biting me, so sorry. But I'll be back like 10,000 times over the next couple of weeks while all of my Black Friday parcels slowly arrive. I have 2 to show you guys. Once I get home I'll vlog them, but we're going to go to Kmart now. As you guys know, I never actually end up vlogging in Kmart no matter my intentions, but I'll take the camera.
In Kmart?
I will vlog in Kmart. Just can't get over the camel toe in these shorts. I think they would be good for work though, if I could like not get them in a camel toe size. And I could like tuck the shirt in. What even nut could fit in that? Am I done? What? Good one.
Peace on the streets, son. Do you remember that?
Alright, so the things that I got were, I didn't show you guys these shorts. I tried these on last time I went to Kmart, but they're like proper paper baggy style shorts. They actually really cinch your waist in. I got these in an 8, which might have been a mistake, but I think last time I tried on an 8 it actually fit really well, plus like a 10 probably wouldn't cinch as well as the 8. Anyway, these were 19. I bought like heaps of high price items for Kmart. Like this swimsuit was freaking $28. I didn't even check, but it's just kind of a cute print. I feel like you either love it or you hate it, but it's got little like cinchy bits so you can like make it really high cut. Fits quite tight, but I think it'll be good for actually like swimming in as opposed to just like sunning yourself, you know. This was a little seamless bra that I got. I just love any seamless material. Like I'd show you mine, but it's just like a really gross, like not white anymore one from Gymshark. This is the exact same fabric and it was $12. I love this fabric of this top, and this is the only one that I could find, but it's like a loose fitting, like slightly cropped t-shirt. It was $10. I only found it in this mustard color, which is not very summery. It's more like fall, but whatever, autumn. Watch too many Americans these days. And then I got this. I own this in like every color, and I got it in an 8, which is really tight fitting, but I actually prefer it with this. And then you guys, this is my Frank Green bottle and I'm so excited. This is my invoice, which is weird. I got the big one.
It looks massive.
It's huge, but so yeah, this you choose your color that you want. You can get it with like a button lid or this one, which is, oh my gosh, I can't do it with my nails. No. My nose is itchy. A little sucky lid. Feels really nice quality. It's got like a little toggle thing.
Customized that one,
Yeah, I can't remember what the colors are, but it's like something coral, and I think it's called blush. And then it's got a metal straw. It's so cute. Just metal, stainless steel on the inside. I'm stoked. It's like massive though. This was like really expensive. I kind of don't want to talk about it, but I'll leave it linked up down below so you guys can go and look at them yourself and then judge me. I have my XOBeauty Black Friday order. They had 40% off store wide. Not on everything. Everything was discounted up to 40%. So I got the Heaps of Sweets palette. I am so hyped for this. I took way too long to actually buy mine, but I'm really, really excited. Oh my gosh, they're huge. Oh, it's actually like massive in real life.
Yeah, that's not small.
That is like freaking good value for money. They're like bigger than the Jeffree Star ones, same size. They're huge.
They'd be equivalent if they were squares, I'd say.
Yeah, they're so pretty. Oh my gosh. That sugar shade, I die. I'll bring it up real close. I'll do a, do you guys want me to do a, it won't be like a full-on chatty get ready with me video, probably during Vlogmas, but I can do like my makeup in one Vlogmas video. Maybe when Corpo and I go out for our anniversary, I can use this palette. Let me know, because it's beautiful. Congratulations, Shan. I've already sent her my congratulations when she launched it, but like, damn, I'm excited. I also got a lip liner and a liquid lipstick, or what are they called? Matte liquid lipstick, because I haven't tried these yet. So I got the lip liner in Marie, because heaps of people have been like raving about this one. This packaging's so cute. I don't know, you guys are probably like, I don't care, but it's so cute. And it's just like a little nude liner. I got this color because, oh my gosh, it's really nice and creamy. Don't want to ding it. It's just like a really basic nude. And then I got another nude lipstick because my favorite one is from Jeffree Star and nearly running out, and it was limited edition. So I got this one in the shade Summit because it looked fairly similar, and it is pretty much identical, but yeah, like I said, it's called Summit. Wow, it's actually like the perfect like beigey nude for my skin tone. It's not too dark and it's not too light. Love, 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 love. And by the way, I bought these for Cyber Monday. I think I bought them on Sunday night because I was like one of the first people to shop the Cyber Monday deals. I shopped it before they even said it live, I'm pretty sure. Or before they like, sorry, posted about it. And the stuff arrived yesterday, I think, or this morning, so they shipped super duper quick. I know I do live in New Zealand, but they're still pretty impressive. So yes, that's the first of my Black Friday shopping. I'm gonna go clean this out and use the crap out of this drink bottle because I have been watching this website for like, what, like 3 months, 4 months, waiting for them to do a sale, and I finally got one on sale and I'm stalked. I'll show you guys my gift wrapping on Christmas Eve. I'll probably just bank the stuff that I wrap early and just like show you guys later, if that makes sense. Anyway, I'm gonna go because I need to edit this, otherwise I'm gonna be up all night. Hope that you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas episode. I will be back tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm actually gonna weigh myself because I know I told you guys I was gonna weigh myself today, but A, didn't have enough time, and B, I couldn't find my measuring tape, so I'll find those for you and I'll do that for you guys in tomorrow's video. My hair's also at that awkward stage of being clean where it's like really floppy and it's in my face and it's driving me crazy, so then I tuck it behind my ear and then I look like I'm 7, so I'm just, anyway, okay, I'm blabbing. I'm gonna go. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you all tomorrow in I'll see you guys tomorrow. Wait, I will see you guys in tomorrow's Vlogmas video. Bye.